Hello, I'm Siddharth Pendharkar from Pendharkar's Coaching Institute. For more videos on physics, chemistry, mathematics, kindly download Pendharkar's Coaching Institute app. The videos are present in Performance Booster Pack 1 in the store on Pendharkar's Coaching Institute app. Now, let us try to understand this phenomena. Any square matrix A can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix, which is written like this. Capital A, the square matrix, is half A plus A transpose plus half A minus A transpose. Now, one point to be noted is A transpose is interchanging rows and columns or rows into columns of A. I just show you further. Half A plus A dash or A plus A transpose is the symmetric part, and half A minus A transpose is the skew symmetric part. Now, the question which will come would be something like this. Express A, square matrix A, as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric parts. Let us see how we do this. Let A with this matrix given. A transpose firstly we will find, which is just interchanging rows into columns. 4 minus 5, 3 is a row converted into a column. Minus 6 to 1, 7, 8, minus 9, we convert into columns. Minus 6 to 1, 7, 8, minus 9. This is transpose of A. And then A plus A transpose and A minus A transpose leads to A plus A transpose. This is A, this is the transpose. We'll add corresponding elements. 4 plus 4, minus 5 plus minus 6, minus 5 plus minus 6 is minus 11, minus 5 minus 6. 3 plus 7, sorry. 3 plus 7 would be 10. Next, minus 5 plus minus 6. Minus 6 plus minus 5, which is again minus 6 minus 5, which is minus 11, and so on. So we'll get this. And you can see these are the diagonal elements, and Aij is equal to Aji. For example, first row, second column element is minus 11, and second row, first column element is also minus 11. So minus 11 are same. Again, 10 10 and 10 are equal, 9 and 9 are equal, etc. So this is a symmetric part. Now let P be half of A plus A dash. Half I'll keep outside because all are not even numbers, so half I can keep outside. They have actually divided by 2. So 8 by 2 is 4, minus 11 by 2. You can do it this way, but I prefer keeping half outside and avoiding fractions. Next, let's do A minus A transpose. A is here, A transpose is here, interchanging rows into columns. So we will subtract 4 minus 4 would be 0, minus 5 minus minus 6, which would be minus 5 plus 6 is 1, and so on. You will get A transpose. Subtract all corresponding elements. 8 minus 1, which is 7, or 2 minus 2, which is 0, and so on. And now, if you observe, this matrix has all diagonal elements as 0, and then 1 minus 1, minus 4, 4. So these elements are like symmetric, but opposite signs are there. If this is 1, this is minus 1. If this is minus 4, this is plus 4, and so on. So this is a skew symmetric matrix. And let's define Q as a matrix, which is half of this, half of A minus A transpose. Half again you keep outside because 1, minus 1, or 7, if I divide by 2, I'll get fractional values. They have written them like that with fractions, but I'll prefer keeping like this. And then any matrix, the given matrix A will be P plus Q, half A plus A dash plus half A minus A dash, where half A plus A dash was this, and half A minus A dash was this. And so we could express the square matrix A as a sum of P and Q. That is how we can solve this sum. So basically, any square matrix can be expressed as half A plus A dash plus half A minus A dash, where A is the square matrix. And you will ask, how is this true? You will ask how this is true. I will just tell you. Please see. If you open the right hand side, this is half A plus half transpose of A plus half A minus half transpose of A. Now, A transpose and minus A transpose divided by 2 gets cancelled. And what remains is half A plus half A, which is A. That's how A can be expressed as half A plus A transpose plus half A minus A transpose. And A plus A transpose, half A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Half A minus A transpose or just A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. This is how we can express any square matrix, only square matrix A, as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices.